Hello, welcome to English Made Simple. I am Luna. This is Lesson 4. I am so happy you are here today. Every day you are getting better. Every day your English is growing. Today we have a very fun lesson. Today we learn colors. Colors, we use colors every day. We say the sky is blue. We say the grass is green. We say my shirt is red. Colors are everywhere. Today you will learn 12 colors in English. 12 colors. Are you ready? Let us begin. Our first color is red. Red, say it with me. Red, red, red. Good, red is a strong color. Think of an apple is red. Say it with me, the apple is red. The apple is red. One more times, the apple is red. Beautiful, red, remember, red. Our second color is blue. Blue, say it with me. Blue, 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 very good. Think of the sky is blue. Say it with me, the sky is blue. The sky is blue. Again, the sky is blue. Wonderful, blue. Remember, blue. Our third color is green. Green, say it with me. Green, 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 excellent. Think of a tree is green. Grass is green, say it with me. The tree is green, the tree is green. One more time, the tree is green. Perfect. Green, remember, green. Our fourth color is yellow. Yellow, say it with me. Yellow, 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 great job. Think of the sun. The sun is yellow. A banana is yellow. Say it with me. The sun is yellow. The sun is yellow. Again, the sun is yellow. Amazing. Yellow. Remember, yellow. Our fifth color is orange. Orange, say it with me. Orange, orange, orange. Well done. An orange fruit. It is orange. The color and the fruit have the same name. Say it with me. The orange is orange. The orange is orange. One more time, the orange is orange. Fantastic. Orange, remember, orange. Our sixth color is pink. Pink, say it with me, pink, pink, pink. Very nice. Think of flowers. Many flowers are pink. Say it with me, the flower is pink. The flower is pink. Again, the flower is pink. Superb, pink. Remember, pink. Now let us review. We have learned 6 colors. Repeat after me. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink. Say them again with me. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink. You are doing so well. Let us continue. Our 7th color is white. White, say it with me. White, white, white. Good, think of snow. Snow is white. Paper is white. Say it with me. The snow is white. The snow is white. One more time, the snow is white. Beautiful, white. Remember, white. Our 8th color is black. Black, say it with me. Black, black, black. Excellent. Think of the night sky. The night sky is black. Say it with me. The night is black. The night is black. Again, the night is black. Wonderful, black. Remember, black. Our 9th color is brown. Brown, say it with me. Brown, brown, brown. Very good. Think of chocolate. Chocolate is brown. Wood is brown. Say it with me. The chocolate is brown. The chocolate is brown. One more time, the chocolate is brown. Perfect. Brown. Remember, brown. Our 10th color is purple. Purple, say it with me. Purple, purple, purple. Great. Think of grapes. Grapes are purple. Say it with me. The grapes are purple. The grapes are purple. Again, the grapes are purple. Amazing. Purple. Remember, purple. Our 11th color is gray. Gray, say it with me. Gray, gray, gray. Well done. Think of clouds on a rainy day. The clouds are gray. Say it with me. The clouds are gray. The clouds are gray. One more time, the clouds are gray. Fantastic. Gray. Remember, gray. Our 12th and final color is gold. Gold. Say it with me. Gold. 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 Excellent. Think of the sun in the evening. It looks gold. A ring can be gold. Say it with me. The ring is gold. The ring is gold. Again, the ring is gold. Superb. Gold. Remember, gold. Now let us review all 12 colors together. I will say the color and you repeat. Ready? Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, white. Black, brown, purple, gray, gold. One more time, faster now. Red, blue, greens, yellow, orange, pink, white, black, brown, purple, gray. Gold, you did it. All 12 colors. Now let us practice with sentences. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Are you ready? Here we go. The apple is red. The apple is red. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The tree is green. The tree is green. The sun is yellow. The sun is yellow. The orange is orange. The orange is orange. The flower is pink. The flower is pink. The snow is white. The snow is white. The night is black. The night is black. The chocolate is brown. The chocolate is brown. The grapes are purple. The grapes are purple. The clouds are gray. The clouds are gray. The ring is gold. The ring is gold. Excellent work. You said all 12 sentences. I am so proud of you. Now let me give you a small quiz. I will describe something. You say the color. Ready? Listen carefully. Question 1. What color is the sky? Say it. Yes, blue. The sky is blue. Question 2. What color is an apple? Say it. Yes, red. The apple is red. Question 3. What color is snow? Say it. Yes, white. Snow is white. Question 4. What color is chocolate? Say it. Yes, brown. Chocolate is brown. Question 5. What color is the sun? Say it. Yes, yellow. The sun is yellow. You are doing wonderfully. You know your colors so well now. Let us do our final review. I will say all 12 colors one last time. Repeat each one after me. Ready? Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, white, black, brown, purple, gray, gold, perfect. You have learned 12 colors in English today. Let me say them all one more time for you. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, white, black, brown, purple, gray, and gold. Think about colors today. When you see something, say the color in English. See the sky, blue. See a tree, green. See your shoes. What color are they? Practice every day, and you will remember these words forever. In our next lesson, Lesson 5, we will learn numbers in English. 1, 2, 3, we will count together. It is going to be fun. Make sure you come back for Lesson 5. Thank you so much for studying with me today. You are a wonderful student. Subscribe to English Made Simple for a new English lesson every day. Click the bell so you never miss an upload. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.